Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening a terminal. You need sudo rights and a working network. Once done, check your Ubuntu release so you pick compatible packages. Make sure Discord is closed because updating a running app can corrupt files. Now add or verify the repository source if you installed via snap, deb, or flatpak. This choice determines the commands you will run next. Stay in the terminal. We move straight into update commands. You execute the appropriate update command for your install method. Snaps use sudo snap refresh. Apt-based installs require sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install only upgrade Discord, and Flatpak uses Flatpak update for the Discord ID. As you run them, watch for prompts and resolve dependency or signature messages, accept keys or fingerprint confirmations when requested. If you used a third party, Deb, you might need to redownload. You finish by launching Discord and confirming the new version in Help About. That verifies success. If the app fails to start, inspect logs. Use journoctl for snapped or view /var/log/apt for apt problems because logs reveal missing dependencies or permission errors. Make sure to clear caches or remove and reinstall only when necessary. For apt, sudo apt remove purge Discord then sudo apt install /discord. Deb, or repeat snap/flatpak install commands. One key tip, check disk space. Low space often breaks updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.